Hey, what's up guys, Sus here, back with another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have an unboxing of an electric scooter. It's the Air T15 from Segway. After the unboxing I will be heading out to test it for the first time and give you my first impressions. So let's get to it. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the box. We've got the scooter. We've got this box with power cord. Got some instruction manuals. User manual here. Warranty. Quick start. Here we've got these flaps. This is something that should go back here in the tail. So that's all that comes in the box. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention, I thought it was pretty neat, is the packaging that is used to keep the scooter in place. It can be used as a stand. Basically, it's got this notch here where you can put the power brick. You just run the cable all the way up and it kind of serves as a cable organizer. So that way everything is neat when you're charging it. Okay, so right now we're making our way to this park close by. We're gonna park there and we're gonna test out the scooter. We're here at the park. Let's go for it. Alright guys, so here we have the scooter. So a couple of the features worth mentioning. Of course, here we have our fender brake. It's gonna be also our power button. And it's also gonna serve as what we're gonna use to change our mode. It's got 4 modes. And over here we have our brake. And this one over here is the throttle. If we push both at the same time, then it's gonna honk. Okay, so right now we're just gonna cruise around and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. First ride. Scooter's on. And we're gonna ride on eco mode first. Okay, the incline was way too much for the scooter, so we're gonna change gears to standard. See how it goes. Definitely much faster. Okay, so far we've been able to get up to 20 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. And right now the indicator is showing that we're on our third bar.
Bit by bit, creative imagination began to build a new art form. Makes me feel I belong to something.
Okay, right now the indicator is showing that we have one bar left. I think we just turn around. Our last bar is blinking. We're gonna stop the test here and then we're gonna see what the distance was total. Alright guys, so we're back from our first test. Okay, one thing that I need to mention is that I thought that I was riding the scooter looking at the range in miles, but I was actually looking at it in kilometers. For example, looking at the app, it said that I had ridden 5.9 and I thought that was miles, but it was kilometers. In truth, I rode about 3.5 miles and it said that I still have 1.9 left of range. So one thing that I noticed is in eco mode, while I was going up the bridge, I was having a hard time going all the way. So I had to push the scooter, it wasn't able to. On my way back, when I changed to standard, it was able to go up no problem. So that's one of the things that's going to have more power when you change modes. It's got the four modes, right? So I started in eco mode and then I changed to standard mode. And it also has pedestrian, which is supposed to go way slower, and sport. However, when I looked the first time I stopped and I looked at my display, it had the S on it, so I assumed it was standard mode. But when looking at the speed while I was riding the scooter, it says that I was doing between 18 and 20. Again, I thought it was miles, but it was kilometers. And looking at the spec sheet, that's the speed that you get when you're riding on sports mode. The ride itself was pretty fun. I like the fact that you can fold it, make it smaller, so it's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, as always, just leave them down below. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.